Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can create a foldable birthday card and you can take a printout yourself at your home. If you have a color printer, you can take it in a photographic paper. So you get photographic paper in Amazon. So let me show you how to get that. Photographic paper, Amazon. So you can order this photo paper. You'll get glossy and you can get a self-adhesive glossy paper also. You can order it, which can be used for printing. So you see this 20 sheets. This is the kind that I use normally, which is glossy. You can take print out and create a greeting card. So I'll show you how you can create a birthday card. So let me show you. You can say birthday card, which is foldable. So birthday card folded. Now if you see, you can see various designs. Now let's say you don't have a Canva Pro account. Some of these premium ones will not open. That is, you will see this king icon, the crown icon, the Pro. Those won't be available. But if you want that, you can enable Canva for a day for around 67 rupees, and you can download it and you can stop the subscription. So Canva gives you all those functionality and features. So you can see various birthday cards. If it is for a small kid, you can choose something like this, fancy ones like this. If you want to go for a free one, you have that option too. So you just come here and say price as free. Now you see various cards that is available here. Now if you see the various cards available here, I'm just looking for something very simple. You see this folded birthday cards. Now let's say minimalist birthday card. Okay, so I'm gonna say folded birthday card. So I'm looking for a particular card that I've seen earlier. Let me see if it is available here. So birthday card folded, and I'll say price as free. Okay, so I got one that I was looking for. So this is a very good design, I would say. So I'll select this and say customize this template. So now I will customize this card. Now you can see here there is already a photo, my dearest friend, happy birthday. So I'm going to change this, dear Mr. No. To dear Mr. No. Now I'm going to put the image here. You can upload any image that you have. So I have uploaded one AI generated image. This is not a real person. So I have put it in here. Now if you are not getting an exact fit, you can go to edit image here and you can crop it. See this crop functionality. This is smart crop which has been already been used. You can turn it if you want. I don't want all those functionalities, so I'm going to cancel it. This looks good. Now if I want to add anything here, leaves or love or a symbol or anything, I can put that too. Now this is the back of the card and this is how it will look inside. So I'm not going to change this image, but if you have another image, you can put it. Let me show you. Anyways, I'll show you. Now if you want to change this image, you have the filter there, you have the crop functionality. So this expand functionality is not there in the normal version, but you can while importing itself, you can crop it and bring it. That way you don't have to worry about anything. I'm going to cancel it. If you do Ctrl Z, you'll get that functionality. Now if you see this, you can customize your happy birthday message here. Happy birthday to the most beautiful person I have ever met. So if you don't know how to write here things, you can use ChatGPT also. And if you want, you can use Magic Write within Canva. So continue writing, shorten, rewrite, custom prompt, right? So if you put that, you can use those things. So for this you need to upgrade it. So using that you can write it. I hope you're always happy and all your dreams come true. If I want to change it to more fun, may your days be filled with joy and may all your wildest dreams dance into reality. Using magic, right, you can do all those things. So sprinkle some fairy dust. So now it has changed the wording altogether. May the tapestry of your days be woven with strands of delight, and may the dance of your dreams twirl into realm of existence. So now here, put all those things here. Now this is again an image that you see in the back. You can remove it if it's not required. So this is how your card will look like. So this is how the card will look like in the front. This is the back side. So this is how it will look from the inside. So let me remove this. Now for taking the printout, you can click on share, and here you can go to download. Now when you say download, you have multiple options of downloading it. You can download as a PNG, you can download as a PDF. So PDF is best for printing. So you can say flatten PDF and download. So once you download it, you can take a printout. It's asking opt-in for help build better AI. So now it is downloading it. So this is how it looks after downloading, as you can see here. Now if I want to take printout in the glossy paper, I can do that too. You can say print. I'm going to print it. Let me say Control P. Okay, so now it is asking me the details. I'm going to say it's an A4 size print. I'm going to go to page setup. I'll say page is A4 size. Then I need to mention it as the glossy paper. So I'm going to go to page setup and I'm going to put that information there. Now the glossy paper option is available only when I choose the actual printer. Okay, so this is fit oversized shrink. I'm going to say page setup. Okay, now it's advanced options, properties, UC, photo printing. So you can choose glossy paper, borderless printing with A4 size. So what it will do is they will not see any border, which is required when you print something like a greeting card. Okay, when I say print, it will print it and I will have a greeting card. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.